Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the library not loading error on Gumroad in 2026. And if your Gumroad library isn't loading, you can't access your purchases. And that's frustration, but this is usually a browser or connection issue. So let's fix it by following these few simple steps. So imagine you log in to your Gumroad account and you click on library here and nothing loads. So we're gonna fix it by refreshing or logging back in. We're just gonna go and click on the rotating arrow in your web browser and type in to refresh here. Now, if that doesn't work, simply log out from your account by going to your account here and click on your accounts and click on logout. Then you're gonna log back in and click on the library again to see if it works. If it doesn't, because session errors often cause loading problems. You can also clear the cache and the cookies. You can go to the browser setting by clicking on three dots here in your browser and then scroll all the way down until you find the delete browsing data. And from here, you're going to select cached images and files and type in clear now. You can also clear the cookies and other states data. And then you can log back again and see if it works. Corrupted cache is a common cause. So make sure to clear the corrupted cache. Then you're going to go back here and click on library and reload again. You can also disable extensions, temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy extensions, or script blockers. These sometimes block dynamic content from loading. You can also try incognito mode by opening a private browsing and log in back again, just like this. You're going to open a new private window and make sure to go to Gumroad and like this and sign into your account. Then you're going to access the library here and try refresh it. And if it works there, the issue is likely an extension conflict. You can also check the internet stability by clicking and opening your Wi-Fi settings in your computer or your mobile data in your device. And you can switch between Wi-Fi networks and choose the one that is faster and more reliable. If that also doesn't work, check the Gumroad server status because the problem might be on their end. Now, the library loading problems are usually caused by cache extensions or connection issues. Clear your browser data, test in incognito mode, and verify your internet. And your library should load properly. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.